Hello my legion modders and welcome to a second part video how I turn out the IS2 to the wreck. As you can see, I start spraying the gunmetal color on some parts like front panel, of course back panel, and so on. After that I start spraying the chipping varnish on the turret as well. After the chipping varnish, I start spraying a Russian green color on the whole model, because if we want to make a destroyed tank, we must paint it like it was a new. So again, I use for basic spraying my old airbrush Zvezda BD130 with 0.3mm nozzle. As you can see, the paint and the finish kinda turned out well, so yeah. And of course I use some brown color on some areas. On the insides I use enamel color from again Revel, dark green, and now I'm spraying with my second airbrush, and that is Zvezda AG100. After the spraying of the inside, I start making scratches with a toothbrush and of course with a paintbrush. But mostly I use toothbrush because with hard bristles and with a nice effect. As you can see, I start scratching the top layers and turn out quite well. Mostly you can see the brown, and that is because of the primer. So I don't know where is the gunmetal, but okay. After that I use some dark wash on some areas, and of course use shine metal, or I mean steel color, and use some scratches and so on, like where I want to. You know, it is a wreck, so it doesn't matter how it looks like. Making some fuel oil tanks, destroyed, burned, with a black color. You can see the hatch from the back is missing, so I'm doing it very dirty. And of course use some splash with a sand color, and same weather techniques what I used on the body. So again, black color around some areas, of course on gunmetal, brushing the top layer with water to see some scratches. And I don't really know where is the like a gunmetal color, but okay. Again, making some scratches here on the turret with a nice silver color. Adding another layer of a heavy varnish, heavy wash I mean, sorry. So yeah, I think it turned out well. And last thing what is missing is varnish on the whole model. I use a flat varnish from Gunze, and of course my airbrush Zvezda. Yeah. So I hope you like my first destroyed model. We will see if I do another one in the future. And here you can see the finished model. You can let me down in the comment section below what do you think. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next building video.